welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kid Troy. My dad and I love to go to college football games. But whenever we're at home or watching games on TV, we love to make stadium dogs, and that's what we're going to do on this episode. Now, before we get on to this episode, do you see the subscribe button over here? Click it now, click it. Alright, great job. Do you see this like button over here? Yeah. Smash it, we are like you mean it, smash it now. Alright, fantastic. Now let's get started. So first, we're gonna cook our ground beef. That's close. Next, we're gonna scrape some cheese into the pot. Not enough, Dad?
Yeah, you can do all of it.
I'll try. That's a lot, though. That's a lot of cheese. But I love cheese.
Wait a second, I'll take care of it.
Now, we have a hot dog.
Nope, on the other way. On the other way.
This
there
way?
You go. Yep.
Oh, geez. Oh.
So how you doing that? How you doing that? Your right.
I like her right hand, but I think left hand can be helpful too.
All right, turn that around. Roll those dogs.
Okay.
There you go. Look at those grill marks. That's fine. Leave it like that. Flip it to the grill mark. Good job. There you go. Oh yeah. Smile for the camera, Troy.
Now we're gonna pour the salsa and dump the cilantro and the chili powder.
It's special, but it's part of it. You scrape the bowl.
Oh.
You can use the special if you need to.
I'm gonna try my finger.
You stir it up.
Uh-oh.
You dumped it on the spatula. That wasn't very smart.
I know. Uh-oh.
Alright, let me cut this. I'm putting that on the blooper real quick. You want that on the Roll that one on his back. That's the one that doesn't have marks.
Oh, that one looks cooked. Same for that one. And that one.
Alright.
Oh.
Dogs will be done in a few minutes. Alright, we're gonna add a little bit of salt to this. Now we gotta drain the meat. Come here. Just drain the ground beef and season it. Alright?
Okay. Now let's take the dogs and put them on a clean plate. So my dad put the grease out of the meat. Now let's add cumin, black pepper, salt, chili powder, and cilantro. Hold up. Hold up. I don't know.
Grab the handle and turn it so you can obviously work with it better here.
I think I have to use my left hand.
No. Use your right hand. Grab the handle with your left. There you go. Stir the meat around a little faster. Good job. All right, get the spices thoroughly incorporated.
All right.
And I'm gonna have you take over, and I'm gonna show you. Now we're gonna incorporate the cheese. Okay.
All right.
All right. You ready to swap?
Yeah.
All right. Here, you take the camera, and I'll take over the cheese.
All right. Oh. So you're adding cheese to ground meat?
Yep.
Or ground beef, sorry.
Cheese, salsa, ground beef. This is just ROTEL dip. You've had it before. I've made this for you before. That's one of the components of stadium dogs.
Wait, is there red grease going on over there?
And salsa.
Oh, yep. I remember.
All right, so we'll let that cook for about a minute or two.
All
And
right.
then we'll prep the buns and get everything together.
All right. So we have our components. My dad's gonna make the stadium dogs. So Dad, how do you make stadium dogs?
Glad you asked, Troy. So here's what we have. Hot dog buns. We're gonna take a squirt of ranch dressing and put it in the bottom of the bun.
Gonna get. Oh, I see. I think I see something.
Well, come take a look. So you got ranch in the bottom of the bun.
Oh, nice. And we're gonna take some
Yep.
hot dogs.
Take your first dog. I like to use bratwurst. Stick that right in there. Some nice char marks.
That looks like hot dog costumes.
Take this ROTEL dip. Put that right on top there.
I remember something like this sauce. It looked like something.
Just let it fall where it may. And you just fill that up.
You don't have to do it perfect.
This is a sloppy dog here. Let me just come back here. Oh, sorry, not the ranch. Take the cheese and let the cheese melt on top of that.
All right. That's a lot of cheese.
I know.
More ranch.
Boom. And there are your stadium dogs.
Yay! So here's our stadium dogs. That looks delicious. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave a comment below and share this video, please. Bye!